Antidote to loneliness is connection. I should be connected either within or with many people who are on the same page, those who are resonating with you, those for whom you always crave, I wish I had this company. So that breaks the loneliness. Loneliness is where you feel totally disconnected. You may be in the midst of people, but you feel left out. You don't feel like associating with anyone. And it has its own, what we call butterfly effect. This is loneliness. It is not that you are absent or others are absent in your company, but something happens at an emotional level that makes you feel that you are not connected, you are all alone by yourself. Though you have your spouse with you, you have your children with you, you have your siblings with you, you have your parents with you, you have so many colleagues working with you. But this emotional disconnect makes one feel lonely. But there are times when you are all alone on your mountain house, still you don't feel lonely. So there is a difference between aloneness and loneliness. You need nothing even though you may be alone on the top of a mountain in a small hut. So loneliness is a disconnect even though you may be surrounded by so many individuals. Psychologically speaking, loneliness has many faces, many reasons. One is if you have let us say if you have inferiority complex also. Though you have loved ones all around you, but you have denied this connection. Nobody belongs to me. You have denied it. So that is one reason of loneliness. Another one, I don't need anyone in my I don't need to associate myself, or I don't want to be part of it. So this comes from an extreme dislike, which is also not healthy. Both these scenarios requires treatment. And only treatment is love. How to work around such individuals, medicine will not help you, only love will help you. How to bring back that person who thinks that you are nothing, I don't have to be associated with you, but it's okay, since I am nothing to you, but you are something to me. I love you, and this many caring words will help build this connection again and again. If this still denies respect his or her requirements, but keep in touch. I think regular touch with such individuals will improve the quality of their life as well as our life. Imagine when you know a family member who is lonely and suffering from some mental ailment. Would you abandon this person? So we have to stay in touch, either via phone or regular visits. Even saying hello now and then will help. Antidote to loneliness is connection. I should be connected either within or with many people who are on the same page, those who are resonating with you, those for whom you always crave, I wish I had this company. So that breaks the loneliness. Connection with lively people makes your life even livelier. Well, you may be alone in your house, and at 1 o'clock in the morning, you felt like, company, and you would like to meditate. You can always use this phone app and connect with the person who will remotely meditate with you. And as they say, nourish you somehow through this meditation. You'll feel elevated, your consciousness will feel also so improved and refined. There are many heart spots throughout the world. There must be some in your town also, where people come together and meditate together. So togetherness, or what they call in Buddhism, Sangha, can help immensely towards combating loneliness.